For this video, we'll be replacing the brake lever on a MantisX Plus. You're going to need two tools. One is 3mm Allen wrench and then a 5mm Allen wrench. First, start by removing the handlebar grip. Just give it a gentle twist on the two screws that are holding the handlebar, and that'll loosen the handlebar. Make sure you hold the end cap because it's a separate piece. Go ahead and grab the end of the handlebar and gently pull it out. Make sure you don't lose the end cap. Set those aside. And next, use a 5mm wrench to remove the brake, loosen the brake lever so we can pull it out. Once that's loosened, set the tool aside and make sure you keep this for the grip. Once that's loosened, go ahead and disconnect the electrical harness to signal line that goes down to the throttle controller or the speed controller. And the final thing is you have to remove the mechanical brake cable. And to do that, go ahead and align. There are two knobs or two screws. Make sure you align the first screw. The slit of the first screw aligns with the slit on the body of the brake lever, and then same thing for the second one. Go ahead and gently pull and then feed it out like so. Give it a brake lever all the way, and then it'll lock it into this position, and you can simply move the cable out of the way, and then you're free to go ahead and put those aside and replace it with a new brake lever. Once you have your replacement brake lever, simply reverse the process. Feed the brake linkage cable, squeeze on the brake, and then feed that in. Make sure all the slits are aligned on the screw. Go ahead and place it into position. And it's important to note that go ahead and test the brake, and if the brake pads are worn out or the linkage is slightly longer than optimum, then what you can do is you can back off the screws. This is your adjustment point. So if your brake lever touches the handlebar like this, it may require a little bit of adjustment by backing off these screws. That'll actually offset the linkage length so that it can allow for good braking. Okay, so I'm satisfied with the position here, and simply reverse the process. Go ahead and connect the brake signal line harness, and once that's done, grab your 5mm Allen wrench and tighten it into place, and make sure the brake lever is in a comfortable position for your riding style. For me, that's about the right position for me, so I'll go ahead and lock that in. Okay. Once that's done, simply insert the handlebar grip and make sure to not forget the end cap. Go ahead and press that in. And also, the same way, there is a hand grip mold here. So rotate the handlebar to a position that is comfortable for your riding style. Okay, so that's about the correct position for me. And go ahead and secure the two screws on each ends of the handlebar grip to lock it into place. And that concludes the handlebar brake lever replacement.